Hi and welcome back to whatsforchow.com and episode number 646, where we will be making a batch of delectable Syrian-style cheese latkes. These latkes are crispy on the outside and incredibly smooth and creamy on the inside. Rich and decadent, these treats will have your family and friends lining up for seconds. You can whip up a dozen of these tasty latkes in under 20 minutes. Before we get going, a friend of mine, Chef D, has just started her channel. She focuses on unique and delicious multi-course meals. Her YouTube journey has just started and it would be very cool if you popped in to check out her channel to support her on her dream and passion to share her recipes with the world. The link to her channel is below in the description. That said, let's get going with today's creation. Measure a cup or 160 grams of all-purpose flour into a large mixing bowl. Add a pound or 450 grams of coarsely grated strong cheese. You can use mature cheddar, jack, or anything similar to that. Mix this into the flour. Doing this makes the final mixing much easier and you'll get a more even mix as well. Add a half cup or 110 grams of caster sugar and a quarter teaspoon or 1.25 milliliters of ground cinnamon. Mix this in until well combined. Add 6 eggs to the bowl and mix these in thoroughly until there is no dry flour visible in the mixture. Finally, add a teaspoon or 5 milliliters of vanilla extract and mix this in thoroughly. Heat a large pan over medium-high heat and add enough butter to cover the base of the pan. Spoon 1/3 of a cup or 80 milliliters of batter into the pan for each latke. Fry these for 2 to 3 minutes before turning. Don't be too concerned about them breaking when you turn them. The fried side is quite resilient and will hold them together. Fry the second side until golden, then remove them from the pan and continue with the remaining latkes. Serve the latkes with whipped cream or ice cream and a generous dose of honey or maple syrup, and you're ready to go. That's it for today, folks. Please share this with your friends and family, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and we'll see you again real soon.